here.
Mm-hmm.
That's where I'm going to start. So, right over here. My hand right here. Drop your shoulder. Drop your head into my hand and relax.
Yeah. I felt that one. Feels more loose.
Okay. Get my hand right in here. Drop the shoulder. Drop your head into my hand.
Woo. My head feels so light.
Take a deep breath in and out.
It's like a release. Feels good. Oh, good.
Take a deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say. What's that thing? I feel like a slinky. Like, and I actually felt it in my my neck and my lower back. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless.
Awesome.
That's crazy. How does it even radiate that far?
It's called the Y strap. We adjust in the Y axis in the body and it decompresses the whole spine.
It's like it went straight from here, skipped the middle, and then went straight to the lower part. That's crazy. Wow. I'm impressed.
How are you feeling overall?
Good. Neck feels looser.
How's the lower back?
Let me stand up and see. Walk around. Feels good. Yep. That's fine. Yeah, feels good.